Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this Amy's Roasted Vegetable Pizza. Has no cheese, so it is kind of neat. Here's the ingredients, if you guys want to see this. I'm going to be putting in that baking sheet pan there. So vegan unbleached white flour, oils, red peppers, agave nectar is tea, some lemon juices in there. That's about it. So, I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like there. So I'm going to cook it up and do a quick taste test for you, so stay tuned. Alright guys, here's the pizza all done up. Let's do a quick taste test. It's nice and soft, as you can see. I didn't overcook it this time, so let's do just a quick taste of it. Put right there. It's got a nice little sauce on it, like a somewhat like a sweet, not too much of a vinegar, but it does have a hint of balsamic aroma to it. It's almost like a barbecue sauce, and the pizza is actually quite good. The crust is very, see it rises. It's very soft, tender. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comment, post below, subscribe to the channel.